Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Heroine of the Black Moonlight Always Want to Mark Me, chapter 24. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Sue and Guyu. Still, Guyu, she's been questioned and said, I don't know. Probably at this moment, Sue, she want to ask questions on her, but all she can say is, I don't. Well, still, finally, realizing that she released her, and she keeps staring on Sue. Well, definitely, there really is something wrong. Don't think you can pretend nothing happened by pretending you don't know. You can never repay what you owe me. Well, Sue has been warning Kuyu about this matter. Well, this girl, it turns to be, she is really tricky person. Well, poor Kuyu, she don't know how to do these things. I'm not a real alpha. I'm just an imposter. Well, definitely, there's a lot of things bothering on her mind, especially she's not a real alpha. Well, why is it me? I have to wear all of this. Now, makes sense. She really seems to be pity on herself in front of a lot of judges. Well, definitely, she's getting nervous about this and said, Director, I'm ready. Still, the director, Sue, and this girl, the three of them are watching her. What a pity. Unexpectedly, someone got her first. I was planning to teach Kuyu a lesson, but it makes sense. She was too late for this. Sue suddenly came up. Director, I will cooperate with her. Well, the director is already agreeing and said, Sure, it's a perfect rivalry. Oh, the thing is, this is really a perfect scene. At this moment, after hearing that, Kuyu, she seems to be speechless. Probably there's something wrong, but right now, she's really worried about something. Well, definitely, we can really wait to see on what will happen next. Calm down. She's not zooming, but the leader, lady in the flame, she's suffering and Bilal freaks off, and the pain of breaking with the best friend. Now, it really makes sense. It seems that she's not feeling well. Also, Kuyu, she's been questioned by Sue. Now, it makes sense. Let's see. It seems that Kuyu, she is not responding, while she keep only staring at hers like being controlled. Well, why do you treat me like this? Tell me, still. Sue, there's a lot of things bothering on her, especially on the evening, so it really makes sense, right? Well, Sue, still, she was thinking about that. Now, all she can ask to herself, why do you do this to me? Well, it was really a big puzzle, and not everything is being fine and well. Why, you said it was for what? Now, she threw away the things, but Sue suddenly she came in. Do you think love, family, friendship, anything is fair? Well, this really is something wrong, and we can really wait to see her. Definitely, everything will go fox for her. Let's really wish this. Are you fair to me? Well, the two of them suddenly stand. Yes, the explosive. This explosive performance is a quite good, the director said to them, but it seems that the director seems to notice everything. Yes, this explosive performance. Now, Sue, she moved closer to Guyu. I just dislike her. I dislike her that she took away from me. So what? Well, it seems that she's having a tantrums. Look at her. She was really acting like a baby. Well, definitely, she really spends a lot of things for this. And let's so can really go back safely. Well, Kuyu, Sue, who do you think I love? I'm just crazy. I fell in love with you. I love you. Do you understand? Well, it seems that it's really her promise that she was only going to love her. Well, the two of them are really getting heated up. Look at them suddenly. They really come closer to each other until they're almost kiss. But this feeling, it's really getting strange. Although the secretary, that's enough. The audition doesn't have to be so long. Well, not bad, not bad. It was not bad, not bad. It was really good at acting. Well, definitely. Julian, things getting better. Well, the performance just now was very good. Sue said to Guyu. Well, Guyu said to her, thanks. Finally, this girl. She is really getting crazy. And also, it really feels well. Guyu, this role is given to you. Please go to the lunch burst. I will arrange for someone to sign the contracts with you right away. The old man's mansion, it turns out, he relieved so much for the two of them. Well, then, I'll go first. It seems that everyone seems to be broken, and also, Shirley didn't mean that. Now, it makes sense. To be able to help her, Shirley needs to calm down herself, are these words she said. In the play, the character's inner voice are they're what the original wanted to say. Well, it seems that this is really getting complicated. Also, I can be so sentimental. How could someone like Kuyu, like me, or even love me? She probably this, like we meet to death. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. Zoe, what are you daydreaming about? Just to continue with the interview, everything seems to be well, but look at her. She already calming down. Still, she fall off the motorcycle even though it was really intact and said everything should back up. Well, let's see what's gonna happen next. It seems that Sue, a low level in the class, when she entered in the race. What is her relationship with Kuyu? There's a lot of things that this girl she'll need to discuss it. Now, let's see what's gonna happen. It seems that they're really getting tricky. Also, everything seems to be fine and well. Well, definitely, we can really see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.